Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video we have a Peruvian recipe, chicken wings with soy sauce, or we call it pollo al sillao. You are gonna need chicken wings, soy sauce, vegetable oil, salt, fresh black pepper, and that's it. So now I'm going to work on my chicken wings. This is pretty easy, guys. Just I will be adding salt and black pepper. And then I'm gonna be adding the soy sauce to taste. And a little bit of vegetable oil. And this is optional, but you can add mustard. And we smear the chicken wings with the dressing and let it rest for 30 minutes. And after 30 minutes, we will incorporate our marinade chicken wings in a pot. And I forgot to tell you guys, you can add red bell peppers. They are going to give a sweet touch to this recipe. And just cover the pot and let simmer until the chicken wings are cooked. One side for this recipe can be cooked vegetables or salad or white rice. In my case, I have broccoli. And when the chicken wings are ready, turn the heat high only for a few seconds until the sauce reduces and turn more thick. And this is the final result of my delicious Peruvian and Chinese style chicken with soy sauce. Guys, I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, ring the bell for notifications when we have a new videos, thumbs up. Please share my recipe with your friends and family. And she's Candy, my coton de Tuliar. She has own videos on Saturdays, but she always stays with me on Wednesdays with my recipes that I'm bringing to you. See you next time. Bye bye.